Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing into the Google account that serves most ads to you. Once signed in, go straight to ad settings under Data and Privacy so you control personalization. Make sure to check which devices and browsers are active because ad controls apply per account and sometimes per device. If you use multiple Google accounts, pick the one that shows the most targeted ads. This first step gets you into the right panel, then pause to confirm which ad types you want to change. Once in ad settings, toggle ad personalization off to stop Google from using your activity to shape ads. You should then review the list of interests and demographic labels. Remove anything that's wrong, because those entries drive specific ad types. Make sure to apply changes across devices. On mobile, open the Google app or settings and repeat the same steps. Also, turn off third-party cookie tracking in your browser to reduce non-Google targeted ads. These detailed edits. To finish, block persistent advertisers and report any ad that violates policy from the ad menu. This removes repeat exposures. If you still see many ads, clear cookies, sign out and test in an incognito window. That shows whether personalization or browser extensions are the cause. For heavier reduction, install a reputable ad blocker, but be aware that some sites detect blockers and restrict content. If ads persist, make sure no other Google account is signed in, and disable suspicious extensions. That usually resolves remaining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.